sweetie, you are back here again. You are just as cute as ever. I know you've been grown up and you've been through a lot. Your heart must be exhausted. It's okay. Come here, let me give you a hug. Remember our pretend house game? Let's play together. Just like when we were little. Let's start with a little spritz of perfume. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Smell that. That's your favorite scent. Sunshine. Does it remind you of something? The soft baby cream. Those sunny afternoon without a worry. Wrapped in this warm, gentle light. All your troubles melt away like morning fog. Warm, old memories are floating back now. Let me put some pretty eyeshadow on you. What color do you like? Rainbow color, starry color, or maybe clover green? Just a gentle brush, little by little, bit by bit, blending it in. Your eyes are still so beautiful, clear and bright like stars. Your hair's getting messy. Let me curl it for you. I will curl it very, very gently. Once, twice, once, twice. Time to dry your hair. Close your eyes and feel it warm here, like mother's gentle touch. Your bangs are too long, getting in your eyes, right? Let me trim them for you. Don't worry, I won't cut off too much, just a little bit. Trust me, I will snip it very gently, very, very gently. Now comb them smooth with this little brush. Remember it? You used to comb my hair with it all the time. Now it's my turn. Now let's add your favorite lipstick. It's strawberry flavored. Smells like candy. Perfect shade. It makes your lip a cherry red. Oh, you snuck a lick again. It tastes sweet, right? Let's add some face powder. Let the puff kiss your cheeks. Dab, 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 dab. That will make your makeup perfect, just like those glamorous TV stars. Now let's add some nail polish. You can stay a kid forever here. I will protect you. Remember our secret hideout, the rainbow blocks, fuzzy teddy bears. They are all here guarding you. Now Close your eyes. Breath slow. Let your body melt. You are safe. You are warm. You are getting lighter, softer, shifting into sweet